Mobile pet grooming is one of the most repeatable service businesses in pet care because most dogs return on a consistent 4 to 8 week schedule for bathing, haircuts, and nail trims. That repeat cycle sits inside a growing category. The United States pet grooming services market was estimated at about $2.06 billion in 2024 and is projected to grow around 6.7% per year through 2030. Pet spending overall also continues to climb, totaling about $151.9 billion in 2024, with roughly $157 billion projected for 2025. With the Furryland franchise, you can build a modern mobile grooming business that meets customers where they are, often with lower overhead than a traditional storefront salon. You get a proven operating system, training, and support to help you launch, fill your schedule, and scale by adding additional vans and routes as demand grows.